Welcome to Classic Car Connoisseur. Today we challenge even the most dedicated enthusiasts to identify these 20 classic cars. Remember, each set contains similar-looking models that might confuse even seasoned collectors. Let's begin. Is this classic car A. 1935 Auburn 851 Speedster, B. 1936 Cord 810 Phaeton, C. 1937 Delahaye 135 MS Roadster, D. 1938 Talbot Lago T23 Teardrop Coupe. And the correct answer is C. 1937 Delahaye 135 MS Roadster. Is this classic car A. 1972 De Tomaso Pantera, B. 1971 Lamborghini Jarama, C. 1973 Ferrari 365 GT 4BB, D. 1974 Maserati Bora. And the correct answer is A. 1972 De Tomaso Pantera. Is this classic car A. 1959 Chevrolet Impala, B. 1959 Ford Galaxy Skyliner, C. 1959 Plymouth Fury, D. 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer? And the correct answer is B. 1959 Ford Galaxy Skyliner. Is this classic car A. 1969 Porsche 914, B. 1968 Fiat Dino Coupe, C. 1970 Saab Sonnet 3, D. 1968 Opel GT? And the correct answer is D. 1968 Opel GT. Is this classic car A. 1974 Lamborghini Countach LP 400, B. 1974 Ferrari 365 GT4 BB, C. 1975 Maserati Compsine, D. 1976 Lotus Esprit S1? And the correct answer is A. 1974 Lamborghini Countach LP 400. Is this classic car A. 1948 Cadillac Series 62 Club Coupe, B. 1948 Buick Roadmaster, C. 1947 Packard Custom Super Clipper, D. 1948 Lincoln Continental Coupe? And the correct answer is C. 1947 Packard Custom Super Clipper. Is this classic car A. 1962 AC Greyhound, B. 1960 Gordon Keeble GT, C. 1962 Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato, D. 1961 Jaguar E-Type Fixed Head Coupe? And the correct answer is D. 1961 Jaguar E-Type Fixed Head Coupe. Is this classic car A. 1972 BMW 3.0 CSL, B. 1971 Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.3, C. 1974 Alfa Romeo Montreal, D. 1973 Citroën SM. And the correct answer is A. 1972 BMW 3.0 CSL. Is this classic car A. 1958 Lancia Aurelia, B. 24 Spider, B. 1957 BMW 503 Cabriolet, C. 1957 Bristol 406, D. 1956 Alfa Romeo 1900 CSS Touring. And the correct answer is A. 1958 Lancia Aurelia B 24 Spider. Is this classic car A. 1978 Porsche 928, B. 1977 Aston Martin Vantage, C. 1979 Ferrari 400i, D. 1976 Jaguar XJS. And the correct answer is B. 1977 Aston Martin Vantage. Is this classic car A. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette, C. 2 Stingray, B. 1966 Bizzarini 5300 GT Strada, C. 1969 De Tomaso Mangusta, D. 1967 Isogrifo. And the correct answer is A. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette C. 2 Stingray. Is this classic car A. 1973 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, B. 1974 Dodge Challenger, C. 1973 AMC Javelin AMX, D. 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport. And the correct answer is C. 1973 AMC Javelin AMX. Is this classic car A. 1939 Porsche 853 A. Sport Cabriolet, B. 1938 Maybach Zeppelin, D. S8, C. 1939 Lagonda Rapide, D. 1940 Packard Custom Super 8 180. And the correct answer is B. 1938 Maybach Zeppelin DS8. Is this classic car A. 1960 Aston Martin DB4GT, B. 1962 Ferrari 250 GTS WB Berlinetta, C. 1961 Maserati 3500 GT, D. 1959 Alfa Romeo 2000 Spider. And the correct answer is B. 1962 Ferrari 250G TSWB Berlinetta. Is this classic car A. 1965 Shelby GT350, B. 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 427, C. 1965 Jaguar E-Type Series 1 4.2, D. 1966 Aston Martin DB6. And the correct answer is D. 1966 Aston Martin DB6. Is this classic car A. 1975 Lancia Stratos HF, B. 1973 Matra Simca Bagheera, C. 1976 Ferrari 308 GTB, D. 1973 Dino 246 GT. And the correct answer is A. 1975 Lancia Stratos HF. Is this classic car A. 1970 AMC AMX, B. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, C. 1970 Dodge Challenger, D. 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. And the correct answer is C. 1970 Dodge Challenger. Is this classic car A. 1954 Pegaso Z102 Berlinetta, B. 1953 Fiat Supersonic, C. 1955 Alfa Romeo 1900 Super Sprint Zagato, D. 1954 Bristol 450. And the correct answer is B. 1953 Fiat Supersonic. Is this classic car A. 1973 BMW 3.0 CSL, B. 1971 Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.3, C. 1972 Jensen Interceptor SP, D. 1974 Monteverdi 375L. And the correct answer is D. 1974 Monteverdi 375L. Is this classic car A. 1933 Pierce Arrow Silver Arrow, B. 1934 Packard 12 1108 Dietrich Convertible Sedan, C. 1933 Cadillac Fleetwood All-Weather Phaeton, D. 1935 Duesenberg Model S J. And the correct answer is A. 1933 Pierce Arrow Silver Arrow. And that concludes our Classic Car Connoisseur quiz. Let's see how you did. Share your score in the comments below and tell us which cars were the toughest to identify.